Hey everyone, Anthony here again from the Faculty of Apps with another quick tip for your Apple devices. If you find yourself in a situation where you need to open Finder just using your keyboard, or you just prefer to use keyboard shortcuts, then pressing Command and N will open a new Finder window on Mac. If you're currently in a different application, you will need to press Command and Tab to cycle through your applications until Finder is active. Having opened your Finder window, you can use your arrow keys to navigate your folders. Press the Command and down arrow to view the contents of a folder and the Command and up arrow to return to the parent folder. Pressing Command and either 1, 2, 3 or 4 will cycle through your different view options. Command and T will open a new tab in the active Finder window and use the Control and Tab keys to cycle through those different tabs. To open additional Finder windows, keep pressing Command and N, and then press Command and the tilde key, which is the one just beneath your Escape key, to cycle through those different Finder windows. Apple has a whole list of these commands in a support article that I'll link to in the description below. So that is how to open Finder on Mac using your keyboard. If you found the video useful, I'd appreciate you giving me a like and hitting subscribe for lots more quick tips on all your Apple devices. And here are a few tips to customize the menu bar on your Mac and a really quick way to crop photos on your iPhone. Until next time, my name is Anthony. Thank you very much for watching.